Shankaram Sivashankaram. In this video, we'll look at the meanings of stanzas 16 to 20 of Tirukkodumbi.
உள்ளப்படாத திருவுருவை உள்ளுதலும் கள்ளப்படாத களிவந்த வான்கருணை வெள்ளபிரான் எம்பிரான் எனை வேறு ஆட்கொள்ள பிரானுக்கே சென்றூதாய் கோதும்பி.
உள்ளப்படாத திருவுருவை உள்ளதலும். Ullarthu is to think or to trap inside your mind. Ulladalum Tiruvurvai. So what is he trapping? That beautiful form of Lord Shiva, which is Ullappadada, which is very difficult to trap in your mind, because he is someone that can easily evade you. That's what it means. Ullappadada, or which people do not normally think of. Ullappadada Tiruvurvai Ulladalum Kallappadada Kalivanda Van Karunai. So Kalivanda is to give you that magirchi, to give you that enjoyment, that beautiful feeling of having got Lord Shiva. That's what he's saying. Kallappadada, that means either there are two meanings to this. He did not cheat me, in the sense he didn't evade me and I somehow trapped him in my mind. Or Kutram illadadu. Kallappadada is also Kutram illada, that is flawless, without any flaws. So without any flaw, he just came and sat and he gave me that beautiful feeling, that ecstatic feeling. Kalivanda is to give that ecstasy. Van Karunai Vella. So Vella is flood. So Van Karunai, already I have said in my previous stanzas that it is the sky of mercy, or basically that expanse of mercy. Van, like the sky, the mercy is so huge, it's endless mercy. He is also adding now another adjective. He is saying Vellam. Vellam is that flood. So that flood of mercy, which has got so much of water, it is as expanded or so big as the sky. Piran, that Lord who's got that mercy. Yem Piran Yennai Vere. That means, Vere means he separated me from all the others and he gave me alone that ecstatic feeling. Yem Piran, my master, Yennai Vere, he separated me from everyone. And Art Kolla, he brought me into his fold. Piranukke, Anda Piranukke, for that master, go, Senrudai Kodumbi, oh, Queen Bee, please go and buzz next to that feet. Go and pray and go and touch that person's feet. Go unite with that person's feet. Or go and tell him that I am really pining for such a person who has given me this grace or this mercy.
The flawless Lord, who has abundant mercy and who is evasive to the mind, separated me from the others in this world and gave me that ecstatic feeling of capturing him in my mind. O Queen Bee, go and buzz at the feet of that Lord who is a master who took me into his fold.
பொய்யாய செல்வத்தே புக்கழுந்தினாள் தோறும் மெய்யா கருதி கிடந்தேனை ஆட்கொண்ட ஐயா என் ஆருயிரே அம்பலவா என்றவன் தன் செய்யார் மலரடிக்கே சென்றோதாய் கோதும்பி.
பொய்யாய செல்வத்தே. Selvam is that wealth. Poyyaya, which is only false. That wealth itself is false only. Pukku Alundi is to be immersed or to sink inside. Pukka is to go and immerse myself in that wealth which is just fake, which is not real. That's what he's saying. Naal thorum, the whole day or every day, Mayyaga Karudi, thinking of that false wealth and thinking that wealth is only true. That is what he's saying. Kidandene, I was wandering there, or I was just lying there, just being immersed or trying to amass more and more wealth, which is of no use to anyone, no use to me. Anna, what did you do? Aatkonda, you came and ruled over me, you came and took me into your fold. ஐயா, ஓ லார்ட், என் ஆருயிரே, மை லைஃப், மை பிராணா, மை சோல், ஆருயிரே, அம்பலவா, ஓ லார்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்கை, அம்பலம், திருச்சிற்றம்பலம், ரைட்? ஸோ தட் இஸ் வாட் அம்பலவன், தில்லை நட்ராஜா என்றவன் தன், அம்பலவா என்றவன் தன், த ஒன் ஹூ இஸ் த லார்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்கை, தன் ஹிஸ் செய்யார் மலரடிக்கே. செய் ஆர், செய் means red, full of redness, ஆர் is full of redness, மலரடிக்கே, that lotus feet. Here you can say it's not really red, you can say pink like a lotus. So that is what you can say, செய்யார் மலரடிக்கே, that lotus like feet க்கு போய் you, what do you have to do? சென்றுதாய் கோதும்பி, oh bee, please go and tell, go and buzz next to that feet, tell Lord Shiva, go and buzz and tell him that I am pining for him. You leave all your worldly pleasures and go and stick on to his feet, because this wealth is all fake. Don't be immersed in that wealth.
O Lord, although I was immersed in the false wealth, assuming it to be the real truth, you came and took me into your fold. O Queen Bee, go and buzz at the reddish lotus feet of that Lord who is my soul and the master of the skies.
தோலும் துகிலும் குழையும் சுருள் தோடும் பால் வெள்ளை நீரும் பசும் சாந்தும் பைங்கிளியும் சூலமும் தொக்க வளையும் உடை தொன்மை கோலமே நோக்கி குளிர்ந்தோதாய் கோதும்பே.
In this stanza, Manikavasagar is only describing Lord Shiva's appearance. Tholum, Tugilum. Tholum means he's got a skin, so he's wearing a skin as his dress, like a tiger skin. Tugilum, he's wearing a luxurious dress, so he's wearing it very luxuriously. Kurayum, he's got ear pendants. Surul Todum, so he's got a stud. Surul means it is curled, so he's got a curled stud. Todudaya Seviyan. So that was the experience that Tirunjana Sambandar got when he first got self-realized, right? Todudaya Seviyan. So Lord Shiva came to him with a stud, right? Wearing an ear stud. So same thing. Surul Todum. Paal Vallai Neerum. Paal Vallai. Vallai is white. But what is the color of that white? It is like paal. It is like milk white. Neerum. He's got that ash on him. Pasum Sandum, that is, his pasum is here freshly made or raw sandalwood paste. He is smeared on him. Painkaliyum, he's got a parrot, a green parrot with him. Sulamum, he's got the trishul, the trident with him. Tokka Valayum, Tokka means சேர்ந்து இருக்கிறது, that is together. You know what is he got? Bangles. So he's got lot of bangles that are together, because you always wear bangles as a cluster of bangles. So that's what he's saying, a cluster of bangles. Udai Tonmai Kolame. Tonmai means Tol. Tol means ancient. So the same thing, Tonmai is that ancient kolam, that appearance. Noki, you see that. So you see that ancient one who's got this kind of an appearance. So why is he got bangles and all that? So he is half, always Shiva is never just male, he is both male and female. He is always Ardhanarishwari. He is half Uma Devi and he is always half Shiva. He is never without his consort. So that is why he says all this Tokka Valayum, why he's got a parrot, because the parrot is symbolic of Uma Devi, Meenakshi. So all those, so that's why he's got the female qualities, he's got the male qualities. That's why you always say he's a mother and a father. So in some stanzas we say Atta, Aruire, and someone say Ammane, Tayuttra Selvarke. So that is why he uses all these words. Kulirndudai Kodumbi. Oh bee, you look at this and you just be in that ecstatic state. Kulirnduda, you rejoice, you rejuvenate, you refresh your mind, you refresh your eyes, make this scene so refreshing to you, and then you will become young, you will become very nice, you will become fresh when you look at such an appearance of Lord Shiva, and you also go and tell him that I am pining for him. I am enjoying this experience that he is giving me of his appearance.
O Queen Bee, go and rejoice at the beautiful form of Lord Shiva, who dons an animal skin as his luxurious garment, wears an earring and a circular ear stud, is smeared with white ash, is daubed with fresh sandal paste, wears a green parrot, holds a trident, and wears a string of bangles on his wrist.
கள்வன் கடியன் கலதீவன் என்னாதே வள்ளல் வர வர வந்தொழிந்தான் என் மனத்தே உள்ள துருதுயர் ஒன்றொழியா வண்ணம் எல்லாம் தெள்ளும் கழலுக்கே சென்றோதாய் கோதும்பி.
Kalvan, Kadiyan, Kaladi. So these are all faults. So he is talking about those characteristics that are not good. Kalvan is a thief or dark skinned person. By dark skin he is not talking about the skin color. He is saying fraudulent, dark with by being fraudulent. That's what he could also be meaning. So Kalvan, Kadiyan. Kadiyan means a cruel person, hard-hearted, stone-hearted person. Kaladi means a person who is a misfortune. So is of bad luck, or is also a person who ruins others' lives, something like that. So they say, no, you are a misfortune to me. It's not a nice way of saying it, but that is what Kaladi means. Kaladi, even Yennade, he is not deeming me to be any of these three. What? Kalvan, Kadiyan, Kaladi. Vallal, that benevolent person, Vallal, one who is so kind, who is full of everything, and who is master of benevolence, who is a symbolic of benevolence. Vara vara, he comes slowly. Vara vara, vandu ஒழிந்தான், he came inside me, he came slowly. ஒழிந்தான் en manatte, that means he removed all that cloudiness. He deleted my mind basically. So that means he made my mind blank. He cleared it off. En manatte, ஒழிந்தான் is to clear it off, to destroy. En manatte, my mind. உள்ளத்து உரு துயர். Uru means that intense tuyar, trouble or suffering. உள்ளத்து, in my mind. ஒன்றொழியா, that means without leaving even one, without clearing even one, he removed. So he cleared my mind of everything, of all suffering and everything. That's what he's saying, of my intense pain. வண்ணம் எல்லாம், that characteristic, with that characteristics, தெள்ளுங் கழலுக்கே. தெள்ளுங் means that, தெள்ளுங் கழலுக்கே, so that feat that is given me clarity. தெள்ளுங் is to, தெள்ளுங் தெழுந்தார்க்கு, so people who give clarity. So that is what he is saying here. The feat that has given me this clarity, சென்றுதாய் கோதும்பி. Oh bee, please go and buzz next to that feet. Go tell him that I am pining for this kind of a person. Leave all your worldly pleasures and go and unite with that feet.
Without considering me evil, malicious, or an object of misfortune, the benevolent Lord entered into my heart and cleared all my acute sufferings. O Queen Bee, go and buzz at that feet which gave me immense clarity.
பூமேலயனோடு மாலும் புகழ் அரிதன்று ஏமாறி நிற்க அடியேன் இருமாக்க நாய்மேல் தவிசிட்டு நன்றா பொருட்படுத்த தீமேனியானுக்கே சென்றோதாய் கோதும்பி.
பூமேல் அயனோடு. So you must remember, in the very first stanza, he starts with Pooveru Konum. So same thing only he is saying. He starts with flower there, he is ending with flower here. So Poomel Ayanode, Ayan here is Brahma, who is sitting on பூ மேலே, that is who is sitting on a flower, he is sitting on a lotus, right? Brahma. Malum, that is Thirumal, Narayana, Vishnu. Pugal அரிது என்று, that is, Pugal is to go. Aridu entry is with a lot of difficulty. That is, Lord Brahma went for the head. He went to in search of Lord Shiva's head, and Vishnu went in search of Lord Shiva's feet, which was very difficult to find, and they could not find. என்று ஏமாறி நிற்க, they stood bewildered, dazzled, because they couldn't find. One couldn't find the feet, one couldn't find the head. But what happened? Adiyen, that is me, the devotee, Irumaka. Irumaka means I got ecstatic. Irumanda. So, Irumaka is to become very ecstatic or in an exalted state. Why? Because I was able to get that feat, which these people could not, which was very difficult for these people to find. That's what he's saying. Nai, மேல் தவிசு இட்டு. So again, this is same thing as நாய் சிவைகை ஏற்று வித்து, exactly same thing. So I am a dog, நாய் போல நான் இருக்கிறேன். I am like a dog, or I am as low as it is, because I am full of faults. But he removed all those faults, or he forgave all those faults. And what has he done? மேல் தவிசு, he has given me a high seat, a high pedestal. Tavisu is a seat, and மேல், he has made me sit on a high pedestal. It given me நன்றா பொருட்படுத்த. நன்றாக means very well. பொருட்படுத்த is என்ன மதித்த. He has even he's respected me, he's considered me for such a position. That is what is the real meaning for that. பொருட்படுத்த, he's even considered me, because I am beyond that consideration. I am such a useless person. I am a dog, but he has gone and given me that high pedestal. தீமேனி யானுக்கே, that fiery person, that flame like bodied person, that person who is like fiery, who is full of fire. Thimeni, his body is like fire, that heat, that hot. That means that person is, because anything you put in a fire, right, it will get extinguished and it will become pure. That is why he is saying Thimeni Anukke, that pure person. That's what he is trying to say from here. Anukke Sendrudai Kodumbi. Obi, go and bust next to that pure person's feet who has given me this kind of an experience, because I cannot say enough. I cannot say how ecstatic I am feeling. So you also feel that ecstasy. You leave all your worldly pleasures, because that is nothing next to this ecstatic pleasure that he has given me. Go and unite with that person's.
When Lord Brahma seated on a flower and Lord Vishnu stood confused, not able to find you, I, your devotee, stood exalted that you have considered me, this dog, worthy of that high pedestal by your lotus feet. O Queen Bee, go and buzz at the feet of that Lord who has a fiery body.
தீமேனியானுக்கே சென்றூதாய் கோதும்பி.
Shankaram, Siva Shankaram.